Hello everyone! For our today's lesson, I will be discussing to you periodic computer maintenance. So we are still on quarter 2, but week 6, under maintain computer equipment and systems. So periodic computer maintenance, there are several ways on how are we going to maintain the computer systems. So when we say this one, we are prolonging the lifespan of our computer, or we are troubleshooting different errors or bugs that we encounter in our computer. How are we going to resolve those problems? Let's say, for example, how to boost the speed of our computer. And one way of that is to increase the system's performance, and that is through the use of the task manager. To do that, right-click on your task bar on an empty area, then click Task Manager. Under Processes and Services, you will be able to see there the different programs that is running in your background even though you are not using them. So while you are using a certain application, this application also runs in your background. Let's say, for example, the Adobe CEF Helper. So it is running in my background even though I'm not using those one. These are the different reasons why our computer runs slow. To do that, or if you would like to boost the speed, you can click on that application, then click End Task. After clicking End Task, so you will be able to see now the Adobe CF Helper has been removed to your screen. Or you can go to the services if you want to. So you can look for those services that you would like to stop. You would like to stop because you are not using those services already. So let's say, for example, this one, the Epson. You can right click, then you can stop. So if you would like to stop that one. Other ways on how are we going to remove the background applications. If you are using Windows 10, you can simply search for background apps. That is if you are using Windows 10. But in my case, since I am using Windows 8, you can always press Windows button, then R, then type msconfig. So Windows plus R, the Run dialog box will be displayed on your screen. Type msconfig, then press Enter or click OK. Then the system configuration will be displayed on your screen. Just focus under Services and Start Up. Services, meaning to say these are the different applications running in your background even though you are not using them. So somewhat similar to a task manager. See, if you would like to disable them, just check or remove the check, then disable. Click Apply, then click OK. Start Up, these are the different programs that automatically open once you turn on the computer. So you can see the different applications or program running there, but in my case I already stopped it. That's why it does not start up. Then click Apply or click OK. So that is one way on how to maintain the computer system. Another way is through disk cleanup. To perform the disk cleanup, whether you are using Windows XP, 7, 8, or 10, you can go to your My Computer, right-click the drive that you would like to clean up. In my case, I would like to use System C. Click Properties, then click Disk Cleanup. See, the blue one indicates that these are my files that is being kept in my computer, and this is the free space already. So just click Disk Cleanup, then this will run on your screen. So this cleanup remove all the unwanted files or the junk files that is being kept in your computer system. So let us just wait to finish the disk cleanup. Then you will be able to see a certain dialog box, the disk cleanup for System C. So you would like to delete the following: the downloaded program files, temporary internet files, the recycle bin. Just click OK. But if you don't want to delete those files, you can remove the uncheck, or you can uncheck that one. Then click OK. The computer will be asking you or confirming if you really want to delete those files. So just click delete files. Again, it will read and run in your computer. So let us just wait. Okay, then after that, you are now done cleaning the disk or your computer. Just click OK. So that's so easy. The last one is to perform run check disk. There are two ways on how are we going to run the check disk. But let's go back to disk cleanup. If you want, you can use the command prompt. So search for CMD presenter. Instead of going to computer and right click, then choose properties. If you want to perform this cleanup, under the DOS prompt, you can type clean mgr. That stands for clean manager. Then press enter. So the computer will be asking you if you would like to clean. What drive would you like to clean? So example, System C. And click OK. Again, it will perform the steps or the procedure on how to clean up your disk. So let us just wait to finish it. Again, do you want to delete those files? Click OK. The computer would like to confirm if you really want to delete. Click delete files. Then done. So we're now done cleaning the computer through DOS prompt. This time, run check disk. Same as this cleanup, there are two ways. One, you can go to your computer. Then right-click the disk drive, click Properties, click Tools tab, then click Check. So you will be asked to scan the drive. Just click Scan Drive. Just wait to scan the drive. But if you want, you can also use the DOS prompt. So again, you can go to or search for CMD. This is another way on how to run check disk. Then you can type chkdsk. So chkdsk, that stands for check disk. So that is a reserved command for check disk. Then just simply press the enter key. Then wait for the computer to check the errors that the computer will encounter while it is running. So let us wait to finish this one. So same is true with this one. If you're using the DOS prompt, just press enter, then wait for the computer to check the disk. You will be able to see there the different file or commands, NTFS there. So if there will be an error, meaning to say the computer is using the system unit is using your computer. So just click close, then run that by closing all the application, then restart the computer. There. You can choose scan and repair the drive if you would like to, or scan drive. Then just click again, OK. Just wait to finish. So that is the proper way on how are we going to run check this using the My Computer and using the DOS prompt. And that would be all. See you in our next lesson.